Hi, so my name is Justice, and today I'm just going to provide one-on-one demo for algebra for a grade 7 child. So let's see how I'm going to perform in this live demo. I'm just waiting for a student to join now, and I'll begin soon. So let me share my screen. This is what I'm going to present today. Hi, Daksh. Am I audible and visible to you?
Hello?
Hi, Daksh. Am I audible and visible?
Yes, am I, sir?
Yes, you are, but you're not visible.
I'm not. Oh, okay. Am I
Okay,
visible now?
yes, perfectly visible. So, how are you, Daksh?
Good. How about you?
Same here. Thanks for asking.
You're
So,
welcome.
we are going to talk about algebraic expression today, as your mom has told me about you that you're going to have class with this. So, we'll be
Okay.
beginning with some of the questions as well. Um, and this will also assess you, and I guess you're a good student here. So here you can see my screen algebraic expression, right, Daksh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So I guess you have basic command over algebra.
Yeah. No, I've done it before, but I've done it before, so you can challenge me with it.
All right. So I'll be going with a little advanced slide for you. Okay.
Yeah.
So
But
here
I've
are
only done
you've only
I
done.
didn't do it that much times. I did it like 2 times or 3 times. I didn't do it a lot.
Okay, no problem, no problem. I'm just going with moderate questions, and it will help me understand how you're going to perform in that too. And I'll be giving credits for that, what you're going to perform. So here we
Okay.
begin with this index. You may see important words or terms related to algebra, algebraic expression. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So the first thing is expression. We often call it algebraic expression. Would you please let me know what does it mean when we term algebraic expression?
I think expression means like an equation, it's an equation with numbers and symbols.
Great. Would you give me an example showing of algebraic expression?
Uh, like 3x plus 2y minus 3x, I guess.
Great, great, very good. So here you have given me example. Now there comes terms. So in the same example, would you let me know what are the terms?
2x,
Okay.
um, uh, 3y and minus 3y.
Great. You're doing well in this. I'm very
Thank
happy
you.
to see that you know the basics. Okay, so how would you define terms if we talk in conceptual way?
Terms
Yeah,
are like when they're divided into parts, like when you divide it and it has you have to solve it step by step, so every term is a different step which you do.
great, great, Daksh. Okay, so you have talked about term. I would talk about this monomial. Do you know about that?
No,
Okay. You do not know about monomial, binomial, trinomial, right?
no, I don't.
Okay. So I'll be just beginning with this basic things, right? And in practical way, if we are talking about using algebraic expression, do you know we can do some magical questions with algebraic expressions too? Do you know that?
No, I did
Okay.
not know that.
All right. For example, something which you do not know, you have an idea practically on the ground. Let's say, um, I have some amount in my pocket, right? And
Okay,
you need to guess that amount. I'll give you a hint. Listen to me very carefully. I have an amount in my pocket, and you need to guess that amount. In the hint I'm giving, the amount is such that if you add 500, it will become $549. The amount is such, if you add 500, it will become what? $549.
so in your pocket you have $49.
Yes, great. Do you know the $49 can also be represented on the desk as X? Let's suppose the amount was X. So X plus 500 is equal to,
549.
yes, exactly that what I mean. So that's how we can find the numbers which are unknown to us. So as given in this hint, you have told me the correct data. So same in the same format, algebraic expression works. The number we are unknown to, the data we are unknown to, we can find it in magical way. Not magic, but maths. Right?
Yeah.
Great. So here I'm talking about this expression you told, that was the correct definition by you. Expressions are formed by using variable and consonants, right? I hope you
Mm-hmm.
understand what is variable and what is consonant.
Yeah.
Okay. Would you please tell me in x plus 3 what is variable and what is consonant? Constants?
Variable is the x and the constant is the 3.
Great, great, great. And I gave you example earlier that was x plus 500 is equal to 549. So in
Mm-hmm.
that equation, that is called equation, would you let me know what is constant value?
500.
500. Anything else is constant?
549.
Great, great. You may clap for yourself. Great, great. Yes. Okay. When we are talking about this, if we take the example of 2y minus 5, it is made up of y as the variable and 2 and minus 5 as the constants, right? So you have
Yeah.
told me great things over it. And you also talked about terms. So here are some examples. You also gave example. I was satisfied with that. So terms are commonly made up of coefficients, variables, and constants. I would like to ask, do you know what is coefficients?
No, I mean I don't know the definition of it.
Okay. Practically, would you please tell me in the first example you may see on here, like 5ab plus 90. Can you guess what is coefficient?
5.
Great. What about this one? What is the coefficient in this example, third example?
56.
Okay, only 56 or anything
Yes.
else? I would say, okay. So here we see monomials. In that example, in earlier one, the Wait a moment. Yeah. Yes, this one. This example I was talking about. So here, 56 you told, right? But
Yeah.
not only 56, but here in YZ, because this is also the part which contains variable. So -1 would also be coefficient. I would let you know what is coefficient since you are little lagging behind with the definition. Once it gets clear, you will do great. So coefficient is constant data which just comes before a variable, right? As you told me, like, the correct answers in first expression 5ab, so it comes before, exactly before the variable a and b, right? I hope
Yes.
you're getting it. And in this third example, 56 am cube plus 65 minus yz. So what are variables here? Am cube, right?
Yeah.
So 56 would be the coefficients for this one, this expression, 56 am cube. And for yz, what would be the coefficient?
Y, Y and Z. No, 56.
Wait, a little uh, clarification to be made here. When we are talking about this yz, we must know what is the number can be come as factor or multiple of minus yz. So here we can say the number would be -1. Do you know when we multiply with the number 1, the data comes same? For
Yeah.
example, 1 multiplied with 2 would be equal to what?
2.
2. Great. So that's what I mean. So when you are coming here with minus yz, so can't I write this 1 minus yz, right?
Yeah.
Or or if I do not write minus this side, I may write minus this side. -1 into yz. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Yes. So what would be the coefficient here?
1.
-1.
Minus
Negative.
1.
Yes, correct. Very good. So I hope now you understood what coefficient is exactly meaning, right? In this term.
Yeah.
Okay. So would you please let me know what is the coefficient in this example? 14gh minus 13.
14.
Yes, this second one. 14gh minus 13.
14.
14, correct. Yes. Any other coefficients are there? Yes or no?
No.
Very good. Very good. Great. All right. So you understood this. I'm very happy with that. Okay. One more example, hypothetically.
Okay.
3x square plus 2y plus 1. Would you please let me know the coefficients value? 3x
Wait.
square plus 2y, 3x square plus 2y
Okay.
plus 1 coefficients.
Plus 1.
Yeah,
Coefficients.
yeah. Um, shall I?
3.
Yeah, very good, very good. And
3 and 2.
great. Now, specifically, if I ask you, 3 is the coefficient of which particular expression?
Uh, 3 time 3 cubed.
X. Yeah,
3x
3x
cubed.
square. X square. Cube you may have written, no problem. So that is the coefficient of x cube or square, whatever you've written. And what is the next expression?
Um, 2y.
Yeah, So 2 is the coefficient of 2y. Very good, very good. Great. All right, so here we move ahead with this. Now, you told like monomials you are unaware of. So I'm here to introduce this. You may write this definition. An expression comprising of only one term is known as monomial, right? Monomial is nothing but an expression comprising of only one term is known as monomial, right?
Yeah. An
So,
expression
yeah,
comprising uh, of only one term is known as monomial.
correct, correct. Well done. So here, you already told me some examples, by the way, when I was asking you about coefficients. You told me earlier that that x square term, 3x square, and you told me 2y, right? Those were the expressions. Particularly,
Yeah.
what I mean to say by this definition, when any single expression comes on the table, that is called monomial. So, for examples, 5x, 2y square, 6mn, you may see there are how many expressions? Not more than one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah. So these are the examples. You may write one or two example of your own. You may let me know what can be other examples.
Um, 6t, I guess, or
Great, great. You did well. Yes. Any other example?
3m cubed.
Great, great, Dux. You got it right. Your memory is so sharp to contain the data. Great. Okay. So monomial you have great understanding with, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You may make me understand in your language what is monomial.
Yeah, I understood it.
You may express in your words what is monomial.
Oh, monomial is like one expression which has which only has one term, which is monomial.
All right. Okay. Now we are coming to the second part that is binomial. You see, like mono means
Yeah,
one, and
yeah.
bi means
Two.
two. So nothing to worry with this because the name itself is giving us hint. Binomial. It means how many terms we'll be having?
Two.
You may write the definition. An expression having two terms is known to be a binomial.
Expression having two terms is known as binomial. Is known to be binomial.
Yeah. You've written?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So there are the examples you may see here. They are having two terms, either that can be in the form of a variable with constant value. Otherwise, both can be variable. A plus B, A plus 4, 4L plus 5M. So these are the examples. Would you please give me your examples?
Sure. 6x cubed plus like 5xy
Great,
and
great. Yeah.
4l plus 3b.
Okay. Any other example?
Like 6x plus 8
Great. Okay, what if I ask you a question? Like if I'm writing here, 2 plus 1, is it binomial?
Yes.
No. Do you see why? Okay, let me help you. 2 plus 1 exactly means what?
3.
3. So now it is what? Binomial or
3.
monomial?
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Sometimes questions may come as part of your mathematics in the same way to confuse you. So you need not to be confused in those questions. Okay, you must understand if those questions have some mathematical calculations can be simplified, then you may go with that first. I hope you're getting it right.
Yeah.
Okay, for example, if I say 2x plus 3x, is this binomial?
No.
What is this then?
5x.
Great. So it is
Monomial.
monomial. Great, great. Okay, let me give you some other example. What about this? Is this binomial?
Yes.
2x plus 6y. Why? Why is this binomial? Can you tell me?
Because because the variable is different. 2x plus 6y. Y and x is different. But if it was 2x plus 6x, it would have been monomial.
Great, great. You are such an intelligent being. You've understood this concept. Marvelous. Okay, so now we are going with the other part that is trinomial. I hope you understand this right now. Can you tell me the
Yes.
definition by your own?
Like it's an expression with 3 terms, just like all the other ones, but it has 3 terms.
Wow, marvelous. You may write the definition.
Sure.
An expression consisting of 3 terms is said to be known as trinomial.
An expression
Consisting of 3 terms is said to be,
consisting
yeah, of 3 terms
of 3 terms is said to be known as
trinomial. Got it?
yes.
Okay, so here are some examples I've written. A plus B plus C, 2x plus 3y minus 5. So these are some examples. Would you please help me with your examples?
Um f plus y plus c, or like 2x plus 4y plus 8,
Great,
or
great. You're doing great in this. Great job. So you've understood all these. I'm very happy with that. Now, as I was telling you that we can do magic with this
yeah,
mathematical representation in algebra. So here are some values like in monomial, we are having one value this which is unknown, can be known as x, y, or whatever. And in binomial, we are having two values, right? For example, you're buying two things and you do not know exact price. I buy my mobile phone, I buy my
yeah.
pen, and I say this costs x and this costs y, and I need to sum it. So I would say x plus y is equal to, let's say, I have spent um, $559 for both, right? So I would say x plus y is equal to 559, correct?
Yes.
Yes, so x plus y. This is an example of monomial or binomial, x plus y.
Binomial.
Great. So now comes next term that is polynomial, right? I hope this is a kind of little advanced term. what we have studied earlier: monomial, binomial, trinomial. Now it is poly. Poly means, poly means
No.
poly means many, right? Many nomial. It means more than, if the number reaches more than three, we may write in this expression. And I will let you know all these monomial, binomial, and trinomial will come under polynomial. Okay.
Mm,
And when you
okay.
are not having, like, you are having more than three, it doesn't mean that you can't express it in polynomial. That can also be expressed easily, right? Four terms, five terms, 10 terms, whatever. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Great. So, in general, an expression containing one or more terms with a non-zero coefficient, why it is said non-zero, I will let you know, with variable having non-negative exponents, okay, uh, is called a polynomial. Okay. Uh,
Should
it
I
is
write it
said,
down?
um, you may take a screenshot, it will take time.
Okay.
Okay. So a polynomial may contain any number of terms, one or more than one. Okay. Any number of terms, one or more than one. It means a monomial is also a polynomial, binomial is also a polynomial, and trinomial is also a polynomial. You got this point?
Yes.
And four terms can also be.
Oh, polynomial.
Great. And here a word is being used, non-zero. What do I mean by non-zero? Let's understand this. When we are using a non-zero coefficient, it means what? We will not go with multiplication with zero with any variable. Let's say if you multiply anything with zero, result comes what?
Zero.
Zero. That is the reason we are not using a zero coefficient. Because if you write 0d, would it be? It will become zero.
Yeah.
Yes, and that would not exist. So that is the reason we do not go with zero coefficient. You got my point?
Yes.
Yeah. So here A, B, C, D. You see, all these are having the term, and for all of these, what would be the coefficient? Do you understand? What is the coefficient of A? You
One.
can't. One. Yes, great. That invisible number, you can see that. And coefficient of 3xy.
Three.
Great. So this is what I wanted to make you understand. Polynomial. Polynomial is nothing but the terms which can be expressed either in one number, two number, three number, and more than that too. Got it? Terms. Okay. So that's great. You've understood till here. That is polynomial. And now let us move forward. Like terms and unlike terms. Here we see like terms. Have you ever heard this word, like terms?
Yes.
What does it mean?
Like which have the same variables?
Great, great. You can see on the screen, like terms are having same variables. Like earlier, when you were performing that quizzes, I asked you that is it binomial or not? You told me first it is binomial because you got confused. But then you observed
Yeah.
2 plus 3 is 5. Oh my God, this is monomial, right? So next example, I gave you that 2x plus 3x. So that was also having the like terms, right?
Yeah.
It means mathematical calculations, operations can only be possible with like terms, not unlike terms. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, so 7xy plus 8xy is like term. 5x square and 7x square is like term. Can you give me more examples?
Uh, like eight, like 9mo, or like 5mo, or like 8x cubed and 14x cubed. Like
Great,
the same.
great. I'm very happy to see your examples. Now, unlike terms, I hope you understand this because you understood earlier one, right?
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Um, like terms that don't have the same variable.
Hmm. Great.
They
Great.
don't have the same variable.
Examples, examples.
Examples are like 8x cubed and like 4x squared, or like 4L and like 8x.
Great.
It's,
Great. So here are the coefficient. I hope you already understood. So this 7xy is having 7 as coefficient and variable xy. You understood all this?
yes.
Great. Now coming to this part, factors. You see terms themselves can be formed as the product of factors. For example, 14x. You see first factor is 14, that comes as coefficient 2, and second factor is x, right? So
Yes.
these can be factors. We can also factorize them. Like OP, both of them are variable O into P, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So would you please let me know 3xy, what would be the factors? 3xy, for 3xy.
3x and y.
Great. Three factors. Great. Addition on algebraic expression, that's such an easy task. You already have done with those examples. Like 7xy plus 5yz in 3zx. It cannot be like they are having unlike terms. You got my point in this parenthesis?
Yes.
And here 4yz and 9zx minus 4y, and then minus 2xy minus 3zx and 5x. Would you be able to express it in simplified
No.
way? No?
No.
Okay, I'm helping you. Don't worry. So observe very carefully. Firstly, I'd ask few questions related to the concepts which we have discussed already. So here you see 7xy. Would you please match the like terms for this?
Um, 7xy minus 2xy.
Yes. All right, great. So you said minus 2xy. So here we go with this 7xy and minus 2xy. Great.
Yeah.
Would you let me know what will be the result if we do mathematical operation here? 7xy minus 2xy.
5xy.
Great. 5xy. And
Y.
then now let me know like terms for 5yz.
Okay.
Is there
Um,
any?
4yz.
Yeah, 4yz. Let me know what will be the mathematical operation for both of them are positive. 5yz and 4yz.
9yz.
Great. So we'll have a plus symbol because both are positive, right?
Yeah.
9yg. Great, great. And what about next 3zx? Do you find any like term?
Yeah. I see.
Yeah.
9zx
Yeah, 9gx. Anything else?
and negative 3zx.
Okay, now it is kind of little complicated. I want you to I want you to know like negative number will be added in those way in negative number, and then we'll be doing some other calculations. So 3zx and 3gx both are negative. Can both be added as negative?
No.
No. What will be the result then? Minus 3zx and minus 3gx.
6zx.
6gx in negative, right? Minus.
Yeah.
Okay. So negative 6gx, you got it right. And 9gx. Would you let me know what will be the result?
Um, positive 3zx.
Great. Positive 3gx. Great. You've done. You've almost done. Now let me what is the remaining data?
5x. Oh, 4y and 5x.
Yes. Are these like terms or unlike?
Unlike terms.
Great. So we will write it as it is. So you just solve a question. Did you get how we could solve this question? Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to solve another. Would you please?
Yeah.
Okay. Write a question in a parenthesis bracket. Do it faster. 7xy minus 2yz.
7xy
minus
minus
2yz.
2yz
Yeah,
z.
yeah.
Hmm, yeah.
And close the parenthesis bracket.
Oh, so they're both in the same bracket?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then write plus
Plus
um, 2xy, xy
2xy
minus 3yz.
minus 3yz.
Yeah. Now you may solve this and let me know.
Wait, just checking the question again. 7xy
Yeah.
minus 2yz
7xy
plus
minus 2yz. Yeah.
plus 2xy minus 3yz.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me know the answer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
I have a question.
Yeah.
I put the same variables with the same variables into one spot and the other ones on the right.
Yeah.
So do I add 7xy or do I subtract it with 2xy?
Why would you subtract? Because both of them are positive numbers, right?
Oh
Or
yeah.
yeah.
Okay. 7 plus 2 is um 9xy minus 2. 9xy
Yeah.
minus 5yz.
Great. I was not thinking like you could do this because but you mastered it. Because generally what happens, this question gets complicated for the most of the students. But you did well. You told me correct answer in this way. I hope you understood today's concept. Let me summarize what we have covered. We have covered algebraic expression. We have covered what are terms, right? We have covered what are monomials, binomials, trinomials, and polynomials. We've also understood what is coefficient. We understood what is constant and variable. And we also did mathematical operation over algebraic expression, right? That addition you've done right now, addition and subtraction. So you've understood all these areas.
Yes.
Any question?
Nope.
I hope you enjoyed today's session, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll be having coming sessions, right? And we'll be understanding
Yeah.
different methods to solve the such questions which we have done today. There are many magical questions you may get, and practically you may understand. I would let you know how you can tell someone's age without asking exactly what the age is. That can also be part of this algebraic expression. Okay, that,
Okay.
all right. So thank you very much for attending today's session. Does your mom wish to talk?
My dad said he'll call you after the call.
All right. Okay. Have a great time. That's
Okay,
nice
thank
to meet
you.
you.
You too. Bye.